Ngayon po magsisimula ang sing-offs. We're very excited and kinakabahan din kami kasi hindi namin alam kung sino yung mauuna sa mga coaches, kung kaninong team. But more than anything, sobrang excited kami sa mga inihandang performances ng bawat grupo. At ayun, kinakabahan ako talaga. Kinakabahan ako. Na-excite kasi syempre may iba-ibang performances na mai-offer yung bawat group. So excited to see so much talent in this episode.
So what's up everybody, this is Coach Billy. I'm super duper excited for the sing-offs. Una sa lahat, ayoko may matanggal sa kanila. Pangalawa, ako yung mas nervyos yata kaysa sa kanila. Pero I'm super happy to present my team to everyone. But apart from that, excited na ako makita ang performances nila. So, see you guys later.
Hi po. So today, yung first day na sing-off and sobrang excited kaming lahat. Pero kinakabahan at the same time kasi di namin alam kung sino yung mauuna or sino yung makakabunot ng red logo ng The Voice, kung sino yung first team na magpo-perform today. So, bahala na kung sino yung makabunot, kung ano magiging kapalaran namin, but we're very excited to see our talent, our artists na mag-perform tonight sa stage. Kung ano mangyari, yun na yun. Basta we are here just to enjoy, just to have fun, and makita yung product na pinaghandaan nila. Kaya sobrang excited kami. Kaya pag nakita nyo kami ngayon, medyo tensionado kami lahat. Pero excited kami. Yun lang. See you.
Start na ng singos and nakakakaba kasi we all got an envelope. Tapos yung laman no, magsasabi kung sino yung pinakauna. And parang recitation sa class, it's always nakakatakot na ikaw yung una eh. Pero syempre maganda rin. Ang maganda rin dyan, at least tapos ka na. And good luck na lang. I'm hoping sana second or third perfect yan. So we'll see. Parang raffle lang yung nakakakaba.